Hello everybody, this is Hong Long with Hong Long Wuxia, and welcome to the next video in our series on Tai Chi 24 for Noobs. In this one we're going to go over the fifth posture, which is brush the knee and press. But as always, let's review the posture we went over last time. White crane flips its wings. For that, and from here we're going to pivot our bodies around as we bring the left hand around, and the left hand is going to form or make a circle, and as we step out with the left foot, we're going to brush the knee with the left hand like so. So step, brush, step, brush. And as the left hand does that, the right hand will circle around and press. And now we'll do it on the left side. Right hand brushes the knee, left hand press. One more time on this side. And that's the fifth posture. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe over here to the left, and come back and see us next time. Next time we're going to go over a very short posture, and we're going to review what we've done so far. Until then, keep practicing.